welcome to Cooking and Sing. My name is Denise. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new content. Hey guys, as you can see in the title below, today I will be showing you guys my version on banana bread. Here I have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 4 medium-sized well-ripe banana, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon orange zest, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So first thing, I am going to beat my eggs on medium speed. So now it is time to add my sugar, and I am going to beat it until it is creamy and pale in color. So guys, ensure to go in on low to medium speed because you don't want your mixture to be all over the place. So now that my sugar and eggs has been beaten, it is creamy and pale in color, I am going to add my oil. Now just give that a mix. Now it is time to set that aside to combine all of my dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. So now I am going to add my orange zest, and guys, you can use orange, lemon, lime, whatever it is that you have, you can use. Now it is time to add your dry ingredients gradually. So go in with that cut and fold method, as in round, in, round, in, round, in. Now it is time to add my milk. Now it is time to add my banana along with that vanilla. Now I am going to set this aside to grease my baking pan. Now I am going to add my butter, then place it into the oven for 40 minutes.
convince them to like you. You don't have time to waste worried about people that are not for you. Keep running your race, honoring God, and at some point, He's going to show out in such a way that your critics can't deny the favor on you. They may not like you, but they will respect you.
So now it's about that time. I am going to insert a toothpick into my cake. If it comes out clean, you guys know the rest. So guys, my cake has been cooling for some times now. You know, it's time to show you all of that goodness. Guys, look at all that goodness. Look at all that moist. Look how moist my cake is. Soft, moist, banana bread, banana cake, whatever you guys call it. So guys, there you have it on Cooking and Thing. Soft, moist banana cake, banana bread. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.